people send us messages that tell us that they wanted to thank the employees that they had at an event because we helped them pick out yarns to create a project. And we laugh when we get those because it's just the two of us.
So we offer several things on our farm. One of the things we offer is a tour. We take them in the pen with the alpacas so they'll get to hand feed them and pet them, and then we'll take them in our workshop and we'll show them how we make stuff from the alpaca fiber once it comes off the animal, and then we'll bring them into the store and we'll show them, what it looks like finished.
So making the yarn all starts with right after we have shearing in the spring. We collect the fiber and we can't possibly process all of it. So we do use some artisan mills that we send our fiber off to, and they make yarn for us.
We send them the fiber, they send us our fiber back. They don't send us anyone else's. And one of those mills that we use is here in Illinois. Alpaca fiber doesn't have lanolin like sheep's wool, so it's considered hypoallergenic. It's thermal, it's moisture wicking, it's lightweight.
And it's really soft.
It is.
When people come to the farm, we want all the cares that you have to go away when you're here. If you've had a bad week, a bad month, a bad year, you're gonna leave here smiling and happy and wanna come back.